Alright folks, it's April 5th, 2022 at 8 a.m. here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. And a couple days ago we had grass shown, there was no snow, and then last night we got a snowstorm, and yesterday afternoon as well, I guess you could say. And overnight she howled and snowed like crazy, to the point where we got basically like a silver thaw again, where everything is frozen from melting and freezing on the trees and everything else. It's very slippery out this morning. So anybody out and around, please be careful. There's our light provider up there doing its thing. Still cloudy. It's quite cold. It's probably like -5, -6 degrees Celsius. Hope everybody's enjoying the video. I know it's been a little while, but hey, it's a video, it's a video. I love yous all. I'd like to say thank you for subscribing, clicking that notification icon. Always the awesome, beautiful comments. They're greatly appreciated. And like you said, I love yous all. Much love from the Cape. XOXO, hashtag no fear. And hopefully the snow melts and I can get out with my new toy and do some real videos, and catch you on the flip side. I'm out.